Welcome to the introductory tutorial on getting to know your web package. Okay, well the first thing to do is to go to chooboo.com by typing www.chooboo.com into the browser, hitting return. This will take you to the Chooboo homepage. From here you can log into your control panel by entering the username and password that we've provided you with. I've just entered the information I've got there and clicking the login button. This takes you to the control panel. The elements of this are the content manager site. We'll get into that in a future tutorial. We've got information on your business directory listing, your webmail, statistics, and your details. We also have some training resources and tips and tricks here to support you if you have any questions with how you go about any of this. The first thing I'd like to do before I get into any of these individual things is to talk about pop-up blockers. You'll see if I go to click, for example, webmail, that this message comes up here, pop-up block. To see this pop-up or additional options, click here. What you need to do the very first time that you come to this is to click on that message, click always allow pop-ups from this site, and click yes. So that means that every time that you want to go to elements of this, that you'll not see a pop-up blocker, and that removes something that can end up very frustrating. Okay, let's first of all talk about your details. And this way is the information that we hold about you and your username and password. For security purposes, you can't change your username, but you can change your password. So you can do it from there. Click the return key. Your business directory listing refers to a short paragraph of text that we host here on chooboo.com, which helps with your search engine ranking. So it's useful to try and get this paragraph text as accurate as you possibly can. Next to draw your attention to is the webmail service. By clicking on this, you'll see that you can log into your webmail from here. You type in the first part of the email address and the password. We'll have provided you with your email address and password by now. If we haven't, then please don't hesitate to let us know when you can log in from there. Okay, I'm not going to do that in this tutorial. It will feature in a later tutorial. So going back to the control panel again, web statistics next. These statistics show the amount of visitors and hits that you're getting to your website. I recommend you spend some time acquainting yourself with this because obviously it's very useful information. It shows the number of hits and visitors your website has had daily, which pages your visitors tend to like to look at, where your visitors are coming from, and so forth and so on. There's a lot of information here, and I recommend you take some time to acquaint yourself with this. On the right hand side of the screen, there's references to some of the resources that we have. I recommend also that you take some time to familiarize yourself with all of this. And that concludes the introduction to your web package. The next module is to talk specifically about how you content manage your site.